Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Oh, nice. Oh, real. Oh, oh, yeah. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Stay your butt down. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. If y'all could tell me how much this big guy weigh, yes sir. Long cast, you can't beat it. I'm ready to buy me another one. Oh snap! I'm bringing him this way, man, so he can't get back in the water. Watch yourself there now. Watch yourself.
That's an 8-pounder. Lucky I was here. He was barely hooked in the mouth.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
24.
Lord, I thank you.
I bet that's every bit of 24.
22 and a half.
Yep.
Wait.
22 and a quarter.
A quarter. Lord, I thank you. Lord, have mercy, Jesus.
Lucky I was here.
Lord, have mercy. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Be still, buddy. Be still. 510. Let me weigh it again. It said 510. Let me weigh him again. 513. I'll go with the 513. I'll go with the 513. So what?
I said you lost for 5
Lord, I thank you. Yeah. Second one, baby. Look at that. Let's get him back in the water. What do you say, man?
I think you rod for about 5 catches. I can't get me one.
You had it in your hand. I don't know why you didn't hold it.
I ain't gonna do that to you unless you give me permission.
Let's get him back in the water.
I ain't gonna just come up here and take your rod like that.
Look at that, look at that.
Come on, girl. Come on, you got it.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, right, man.
Ain't no fishing here.
That was you said about the freeway. I remember that.
Ain't no fishing here.
Huh?
Ain't no fishing here.
I heard you say that about the freeway. Those were your exact words.
Ain't no fishing here.
Oh boy, well, what is this? My imagination.
Imagination.
What's this? What's this?
I hear you.
Must be my imagination.
Yo, that's your imagination right there.
Or my son used to say my denomination.
Buddy, let's get you back.
I don't know. I think your son is trying to run me off. You know, I stand where I always stand at, to the concrete thing. And something told me to turn around. I turned around, a black snake had came from up the hill and went in that tree right there to my left, man. He was about 4 feet long. I was like, whoa, where you come from? Huh? No, not out here. I thought about it. Those things that thought didn't cross my mind. Talking to you, Patrick, I just got one. I just hooked into one. Feel like a nice. Feel like a nice. Okay. Oh man, that's that one I missed yesterday. That's a big boy. Come here. Man, this joker look like he bought 6 pounds. He look like he bought 6 pounds. Man, this joker huge, Patrick. You ought to see the you ought to see the girth on this thing. Man, this thing is, Patrick, I gotta see you a picture of this one, man. It don't look like he that long. Huh? Okay. he don't look like he that long, but you ought to see the girth on this sucker. Oh my goodness. I hate you guys. 5'10". Look at this joker. Oh my goodness. That's a bass for you right there, guys. Look at this. Good gracious sakes. All right, let's get this joker back in the water. I won't keep him out too long. Patchy, he bit it right at the bank. He bit it right on top of that little onion pipe down there. Yeah, man. This big boy back in this big girl back in the water. I'll tell this is red. Okay, man, they had lake spawn or something, man.
Okay, let's get this big boy back into this big girl back in the water. Her tail just is red. Okay, man, they had late spawn or something, ain't they? He ain't that big. All right, man. All right, this is about the, I don't know, 3rd or 4th fish, I guess. 5th fish, I don't know, something like that. Woohoo! Let's get them back in the water, guys. Ugh.